last year, the Suzuki Fronx arrived, and we were waiting with bated breath to see what Toyota was going to do, although some of us already knew, professionals. And so we weren't surprised when Toyota arrived with its Starlet Cross, which is basically the Fronx, right? Now, you know the collaboration. We've seen it for the past 5 products. If you think about it, you've got the Vitz and Celerio, there's the Baleno and Starlet, there's the Grand Vitara and Urban Cruiser, there's the Ertiga and Rumion, and of course now the Starlet Cross and Fronx. But essentially what this is a budget-friendly crossover. So it is a little bit bigger than, say, the Starlet and or the Baleno, which is Fronx is sort of based on. So it sits a little bit taller, and it has 170 millimeter ground clearance. So it just gives you a little bit more of a crossover feel than a hatchback feel. On the interior, it is almost identical to the Fronx. This gains Toyota's voice assist, so you've pressed on here. Can you please turn up the radio?
All right.
Okay, well, she sort of understood me. They've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so voice assist is obviously very helpful when it comes to making calls, etc. while you're driving. I don't know what it is about the color difference here, these two-tone. Even here, there's like 4-tone vibes going on here. There's so many different plastics and colors here. It's not my vibe. I don't know about this deep plum, sort of deep Merlot color. Oh, I do like a Merlot. But I don't love this. But some people won't mind it. It's on the seats as well. It's like maroon, which is my worst color. I just wish this was all one color, all black or, not maroon. This has got 6 airbags. You've also got like a wireless charger. You've got keyless start. This has got a head-up display, which for whatever reason is a little bit annoying for me, so I've put it down. I find it to be a little bit in my way. It's like, I feel it to be more of a hamper than it is helpful. But you've got a little button here, you just press and it lowers it down. If you want it up, you can put it up. The boot is at 304 litres. There's also a 60-40 split here. I've had Luca in the back of this car, and yesterday I actually drove from a Toyota event. Well, I was driven, and I sat in the back with Luca, and I was really pleasantly surprised with the amount of legroom and the space back there. But I found this car just to be very smooth. The ride quality is very good. The only thing I did pick up on is when you're at highway speeds, there's quite a lot of wind noise and a lot of road noise. Now, under the bonnet, you've got the very familiar, very tried and tested 1.5 litre naturally aspirated 4-cylinder petrol engine, 77 kilowatts of power, 138 newton meters of torque. I am actually driving the 4-speed auto version, so performance is sufficient. When it comes to fuel consumption, this is claimed at 5.8 litres per 100 Ks. In real world, you actually could get very close to that. I'm sitting at like 8.4, which is really high, but I have been driving it a little bit crazily. So now when it comes to pricing, this kicks off for just like 300,000 Rand for that entry level. And then this top of the range model with the Autobox is at 356,000 Rand. In this segment, I think budget is everything and every cent counts. Everybody stop and staring at me. I've got passion in my pants and I ain't afraid to show it, show it, show it. I'm sexy and I know it.